Improving technology is driving the automobile industry to manufacture more efficient cars with increases in quality and safety. As technology improves, so does the ability to study automobile safety. Even the most complex simulations are not valid until compared against a real-world test. KHS, the industry leader in crash test light technology, has developed a comprehensive lighting system that allows engineers to record in detail every moment of a real-world crash test. With this system, every moment of each crash study is captured for examination and review. Using advanced modern technology, KHS has developed a high-speed photography lighting system that is unparalleled in photo accuracy. To ensure the collection of high-quality data, an advanced lighting solution is absolutely essential for obtaining the maximum value from the data developed during a high-speed safety test. KHS overhead lighting systems are manufactured using the highest quality materials. Each system is designed and constructed according to the customer's needs, whether it's a brand new installation or upgrading and integrating into an existing installation, which can include integrating the KHS controls into a facility's existing computer control system. To achieve this objective, a flicker-free, efficient light source is required. If a crash test is improperly lit, important data and information are not captured. The flexibility of the KHS overhead lighting system provides the user unlimited configurations to light the crash study, giving the best possible opportunity to collect required data. Lights may be moved individually or collectively from directly overhead to nearly horizontal with the crash subject, as well as 180-degree rotation anywhere along the vertical axis. Any of these positions may be stored as part of a configuration, which minimizes setup time between tests. KHS uses the advanced metal halide type lamp for illumination in its products. Most of the energy is converted to the visible light spectrum, which reduces the amount of radiated heat as well as introducing a higher quality picture due to the brightness and contrast between the recorded colors. As better methods of gathering data are developed, test fixtures are increasingly filled with sensitive calibrated electronics and data gathering devices. Prolonged exposure to heat must be kept to a minimum to avoid skewing calibrated sensors. Devices and methods developed by KHS to prevent sensors from collecting skewed data range from a simple shutter system to better management of lamp output. Lamps are powered to 50% and defocused to reduce thermal effects. Typically, 2 seconds before impact, lamps are focused to the test area and boosted to 200% power. KHS Full Solution Lighting offers a wide variety of quality lighting equipment which illuminates every aspect of a crash study. Typical lighting includes onboard, used for interior illumination, floor fill, which illuminates the area around the base of the automobile, spot fill, which is used to illuminate areas of particular interest, pit lighting, which illuminates the underside of the crash test, and computer-controlled overhead lighting, where the light positions can be stored in setups reused. With the KHS high-speed lighting system, lights are easily moved, rotated, raised, and lowered into the correct position to provide full illumination throughout the entire test area. Computers keep track of light movement and store position data to be recalled and used for another test at a later date. With this system, test setup is kept to a minimum since configurations and test setup positions can be recalled with the touch of a button. Lamp positions may be stored in an unlimited number of configurations. Storing configured light position data reduces the amount of time needed for test setup. Valuable time is spent studying data and not configuring light positions. First-time light position setups benefit from pre-configured setups, which can be tweaked into the required configuration and saved for later use. Lens flare, a light placed in the camera's path, can be avoided using the KHS Global Illumination System. Without the proper illumination, areas of study may not be captured correctly. With quality illumination, the f-stop setting may be changed, creating clear captures throughout the entire range of study. KHS continues to lead the industry in developing new technology for onboard crash test lighting. Smaller and sturdier cameras have been developed to document an increasingly smaller area of interest during crash tests. Some of these areas include the base slide rails under the passenger and driver seats, around the foot pedal, and the areas where the seat belts are attached. Traditional lighting is simply not adequate to document these areas. This is why KHS has developed the onboard liquid light guide. Even the smallest, darkest areas can be brightly lit for study and examination. With a complete understanding of the mission and goals of the customer to achieve the best safety test results, KHS works to provide a cost-effective solution. To provide a high-performance system that will meet the testing requirements now and in the future.